Good morning, Tita and Tito.
Where are we going, Paris?
You know, buy a new car.
Yeah! Are you excited?
With a sunroof.
With the sunroof? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh!
1, 2,
Three.
yay!
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Done! How cool is that? Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel! Full of energy tayo ngayon because the day has come. Pipick upin na natin ang ating brand new car! It is currently, oh my god, super excited ang everyone. It's currently 11:47 ng umaga. So we're going to drive there now. Actually si Daddy Mike at si Paris na sa labas na. Ako lang naiwan dito kasi open pa natin ang ating vlog. Ayan. So, nakapag-mook up si mami nyo ngayon. As you can see. Oh, it feels so good kapag nakapag-makeup tayo ng ganyan, guys. Oh, para mukha naman tayong tao, diba? Ayan. I curled my hair. And then, here's baby Celine. Say, good morning, honey. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, world. Ayan. So, we will go out now, guys. Okay. So, I have this here, guys, kasi binili to siya sa akin. Tapos, gusto niya contactless na, pick up. So, ilalagay lang natin to siya sa mailbox. The day is very nice. Tingnan nyo. Hi, Nak! Tingnan nyo ang ating Daddy Mike, guys. Oh, hindi pa rin ako sanay ba? Ayan. Tapos, pipikapin lang yan. Diyan, mamaya. Come here sa anak, be. Say hi sa quickly, be. Daddy, come. Have a look at Daddy, guys. Hindi siya masyadong maginaw kahit na, winter. Parang nag-ano talaga yung panahon ngayon. Sumabay sa feeling namin. Hello, Daddy.
Morning.
Good morning. How do you feel about your hair? First day, having your hair like that.
Sweet.
Come here, B. Someone's eating ice cream now early in the morning. Say good morning, Tita and Tito.
Good morning, Tita and Tito.
Where are we going, Paris?
You know, buy a new car.
Yeah! Are you excited?
With a sunroof.
With the sunroof? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh! With the sunroof. Tignan nyo, nilagyan namin ng ganito para hindi madumihan kasi. Finish that one quickly. Are you gonna have your new car? What color is your new car?
Pink?
Ah! Taka! Wrong one.
What color my teeth?
So white or yellow?
White!
Have you been brushing it?
Yeah, Daddy.
Come on.
Alright, go, Daddy, now. Tingnan nyo, guys. Bye-bye, car. Nilinisan ni Daddy Mike yung boot. Nilabas na lahat.
You can say bye to the next car.
You have to say bye to this car. Kung magiging emotional na naman si mami nyo ngayon. Bye-bye na natin to, guys. Last drive na natin ngayon. Oh well. Life is like that, guys, no? Alis ang luma, may bagong darating. Hindi tayo mag-iyak-iyak, guys, kasi minsan lang tayo mag-makeup tapos baka ma-delete baka ma-erase sa makeup. Anyways, alis na kami, guys. We will take you with us. See you there. We're here now, guys. Ayan, daming mga rubbish pa pala sa loob ng sasakyan, guys. Oh, hindi ko nakita. Hindi yan sila mga rubbish, yung mga bagay-bagay ko lang ba. I asked Daddy to get a plastic bag. And I said goodbye to this car already. Thank you for the 9 years. Kinuha ko na yung aking grocery dito, guys. Thank you for serving me for the last 9 years. Nandun na sila, Daddy, guys. Oh, Nissan. Nandun na ang ating sasakyan. Oh my God. I think yan yung may nakikita na akong ribbon, guys. I'm gonna miss this car. Oh well, emotional na naman tayo ngayon ito. Careful! Oh my god, can you see now, guys? I think this is the one.
Yeah, but Paris is in a hurry, but look at this.
Hey!
Excited.
Hello, Vicky.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
feeling?
Yeah, very happy.
Good?
Yeah,
Good?
very good today. Super excited.
Oh my god, she's stunning.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
We're talking child, wasn't you?
Do it.
Look at you.
Did you say hi, Paris?
She did. She did.
Good job.
Come and have a seat. If you
That's our guy there now. We've just done the paperwork. Congratulations on your cash guy. Later, Nak, they will reveal it later.
Come have a look at the other cars with Daddy, come.
Oh my god.
You want coffee?
You would love one. Thank you. It's the moment of truth is nearly here. We're just finishing the paperwork. Tapos, we will take a photo and open that one then.
One, two. Yay.
Woohoo! Done! How cool is that?
Sunroof.
Alright, we'll swap over and I'm going to get rid of that black. Thank you, thank you very much. Again, it's so slippery.
I like this car.
You like it? There's a sunroof up there.
She's been talking about this solar system roof all day. Solar system roof.
Ooh, honey. Okay, now I feel better. Thank you.
Solar system.
Oh, wow. Do you want me to open it up for you? Look. Oh my god. Can't even believe it.
Wow, look.
This is sunroof.
There's a sunroof up there. Is that you in your car?
I'll open it for you, Paris, in a minute.
Alright.
Hello, honey.
Don't put your feet on.
Hey. Alright, guys, let me go through a couple of things with you.
Just bring Paris up.
Okay, so 3 tether points across the back for baby car seats.
Okay.
ISO fixes in the front of the seat are in there.
Yep.
Space saver. So it will allow you to do 100 k's at 80 k's per hour to get that fixed, or simply ring your roadside assistant. I'll come to you. All right, now. It's on.
Here, go down.
Oh,
Go, mummy.
nice. Okay, Max, you can jump in here. I'm gonna go.
Go stay with Tita.
You might want to see all sort of all this as well. Alright, buddy. You want to sit on Mummy's knee? Is there any room?
Okay.
Okay.
These are the mat. These are the doormat, the little floor mats.
Yep, floor mats are in.
Yep.
Okay, first things first. Heated seats. High, low. Up to yourself. Over here, this is a lane departure warning. There's a little car with 2 lanes going down like this. City driving is actually quite good. So you're driving along, the kids are distracting you and you start to veer, the car beeps at you to say, right, get back in your own lane. However, country driving, a little bit different. So if I'm going home, all it is turn it off. Press the button to turn it off. When roads are just one lane, otherwise it continues a bit. So you can just simply turn on and off. All right.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa aming Nak. So it's our new car.
New car.
New car.
Yan.
Now, please.
We'll get out soon, anak. So, kakapark lang namin sa harapan ng baby bunting, guys, because we're getting the 2 car seats installed dito. Kasi tingnan nyo, walang car seat, oh.
2 seats?
Ayan.
2 seats.
Yep, 2 seats.
One
Eh,
for
Daddy.
Paris and one for Hannah. One for Paris and one for...
So, what do you think? Tingnan nyo, guys, naka-open na, oh, ang mga ignorante. Naka-open na sunroof. How do you feel, honey?
Yeah, good. Very good. Very happy.
Do you like it? Yeah, it feels a bit strange, guys, yung pag-drive nito. Kasi first time kong mag-drive ng medyo malaking sasakyan. Kasi I've been driving my Mazda for 9 years and maliit yun siya, diba? So this one is, you know, different kasi iba yung mga char-char. Try natin tawagan yung sister ko, guys. Sister Mimi. Nag-send ako ng photo sa kanya. Ayan. Nung pagkakuha namin kanina. Tapos sabi niya, I'm crying. So happy for you, ate. Wala pala si Daddy Mike tsaka si Paris, guys. Nag-ano sila, 2:20 pa kasi yung appointment namin para sa ano. And punta sila muna ng McDonald's kasi gutom na gutom ako. So they'll just buy something to eat. Calling. May signal ba? Wala. Wala. Ringing. Guy, walang sumasagot. Busy siguro ang aking sisterit kasi hindi siya sumagot. Anyways, ayan. So, si Daddy Mike at saka si Baby Paris, nandun sila, nagpunta ng McDonald's para bumili ng pagkain kasi yun yung pinakamalapit dito. And now, I'm just going to drive back to Baby Bunting dyan sa likod para ma-install na nila. Kasi it's already 2:10 and 2:20 yung aming appointment. So, yun. Anyways, guys, I'm still overwhelmed for this new car. I still can't believe it, guys. May bago tayong sasakyan. It's super comfortable. I really like it. It's very easy and smooth to drive. And ang dali lang namang pag-aralan kasi siya, keyless. Alam niyo yung parang na lang, push na lang yung start and stop. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng patusok-tusok yung key. Although, ayan yung kanyang key. So, as long as malapit to siya sa akin, I can open the car, I can turn the car on. Ganun. Ayan. We'll show you more, part ng sasakyan mamaya, guys. We'll just get the car seats installed para ready na for Baby Paris and for Baby Celine. Ayan ang dalawa, oh. Ayan. So, I left the car there, guys. Tapos, dito sa loob, kukunin lang namin yung parang pick up na paperwork. Hello! What have you got in there?
Mario!
Yeah.
Okay, what I need to do?
Just tell them that we're here. So, they're gonna give you a pick up paper. Yeah, we'll eat, anak.
You just want to go, you want to start down and eat or something?
You guys played.
Yes.
I was crying and sorry I can't play.
Yes, anak. You have to wait, okay? I don't know where we're gonna sit to eat. We'll wait for Daddy.
Daddy.
Show me what you've got, babe. Oh my goodness.
Daddy.
Aren't you cold, Nak? Is your jacket warm enough? Who gave you that jacket? Do you know? Can you remember? Who gave you that? It's Mamu.
Mamu, I like Mamu.
You like Mamu? Yeah, I know. See, Mamu gave you that beautiful jacket. Yeah. So, hintay lang namin, guys, na matapos ang ating car seat.
Over there.
Sakyan na eh. Sabi ng ganyan. Shush! Nag-ubot na nga yung sakyan, anak. No? So, alam nyo, guys, dalawa yung car seat na binili ni Daddy Mike. Oh my God. So, yung old car seat, iniwan namin doon sa sasakyan na tinrade in namin. So, Kasi gusto talaga last time, di ba pumunta kami dito, binili ni Daddy Mike yung car seats. Gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike na bago yung car seat. Kasi bago yung sasakyan, gusto niya bago lahat. So, ayun. Kaya dalawang car seat yung binili niya. So, bago yung car seat ni Baby Paris. Anak mo? That's Daddy. And you know where we're going after this one now, guys?
Where?
Pipick upin ko ang aking Filipino food kasi nag-order ako kay Ate Richil ng ano.
And then where are we going?
Home.
To the gym.
You are going to the gym. I'm going home.
I'm going to the gym.
I want to rest.
Gotta work on my body.
I want to go. I want to fun toy and a key toy.
Hello, we have to get like a baby on board sign.
Mommy, I want money.
What is it now?
I want money.
You want money? I don't have money, man.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy? I don't know. Ask Daddy if he's got money.
Did you have money?
No money. You have money?
May nanghihingi na ng money.
Daddy, I have to get a hoodie.
Be? What does it say? 24/7 gym.
Aussie City.
Hindi pa lang ano din dito. Gym. How long do you reckon, Bob? We'll check. Huh?
For free. You gotta get a baby on both sides.
Let's go in there. I'm cold.
Yeah.
Come on, sweetie. Pasok mo lang muna kami dito, guys. Bili tayo ng baby on board sign. Kasi iniwan nga namin lahat doon sa ano, ating old car. Anak, come on. Keep going.
You want me to wait here with the cart? Because this is very big.
Tapos na. Ayan na yung bagong ano ni Paris. Honey! Wow!
Celine's.
Tapos, ayan for baby Celine. Tingnan natin.
Celine's one.
Yes, for baby Celine. Yeah, because it's for baby.
Mama.
Ayan, book.
Yeah.
This is for baby Celine. That's Paris. Oh my God.
Mommy.
Big family.
This is my. This is.
Yes, for baby nak. Oh, you were like this small nak before.
Yeah.
And now you're so big.
And this one.
Ayan. So, we're done with this, guys.
Look at your seat.
Hi, guys. Time check tayo. What time is it?
I got no idea. It is 5, probably no 4
For something. Anyways, kakauwi lang namin and kakapark lang namin ang sasakyan dito. Ayan. So, ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog and I don't blame her kasi very comfortable. Diba? Bago kasi. Ayan. So, let's show it. Tour, Daddy. Stay there, Daddy.
And the first door.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll look. And do you want to do it inside first?
Yeah, we'll do. Sure. Ayan, so that's the inside. Ayan, so leather talaga to siya, guys. Kaya, ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko. It's very comfortable yung kanyang, ano, dito, kitang-kita ko talaga yung daan. Super happy with the, ito siya, yung setting niya. And then, this is the full view of the car, guys. Ayan, so what do you think? What do you think, Daddy?
Sexy.
Sexy. Just like
Jovey. Like Jovey.
Jovey. Ayan. That's the front. At yan yung sa gilid. Diba? It looks nice. It's definitely bigger than...
Like what? Bigger than what?
Bigger than the Mazda.
Not bigger than that.
Ayan, ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog. So ito yun, guys, tingnan nyo ang window, diba? Medyo dark siya. Yan yung binili ni Daddy Mike, extra tint. Tapos, yung, ano tawag? Yung
Paint
coat.
protection.
Yeah. Paint protection, ayan. Kaya, extra, ano siya, extra shiny. Kasi meron siyang coat. But yeah. See, up there. Gonna go in now?
Mm.
Okay. And then, ayan. Ayan ang baby girl. Nakatulog. I'll just stay here for a little bit kasi patulog muna natin to siya kahit extra 20 minutes. Pag nagising to, magmanya. Ayan. And that's the sunroof. So cool. Someone's awake. Did you have a good sleep nap in your new car? Huh?
I'm having to sleep here again.
Again?
Mama,
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just catching this.
With your feet?
Yeah.
You're a good catcher.
Yeah, I'm a good catch because I've been eating mice.
You've been eating what?
Oh, I don't mean eating.
You've been eating your food, that's why.
I was eating strawberries.
Strawberries? Yeah, that's right. Do you like a nap? Do you like the sunroof nap?
Mama, can I open it?
It's open.
Don't open.
It is open. Do you want to close it?
No.
I'll close it if you want.
Now, I don't like to close.
You want to leave it open?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike dito guys kasi idadrop namin siya sa gym.
my finger, Mama.
What happened to your finger? Yan, so hindi na lang kami lumabas. Kukunin lang ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang mga gamit tapos straight na kami doon sa sa gym. Tapos pick upin namin si Daddy Mike mamaya ulit.
I got it.
You got it. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ito yung jacket ko na binili ko from Forever New for years now. Pero hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Obviously ngayon kasi malaki na yung tiyan ko, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. So I sold it again sa Facebook Marketplace. Ayan. So kahit cheap na siya pagka-sold guys, at least meron pa siyang value. Tapos pa siya, anong tawag dito? Makukulangan pa yung mga gamit natin sa bahay. Kasi when we move to Brisbane, hindi na namin yan kailangan. Kasi wala namang winter doon sa Brisbane. Always doon warm. Nakna, do you wanna move to Brisbane?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't like Mommy.
You don't like Melbourne?
Yeah.
Hello. Really?
Yeah.
Why? Why don't you like it here? Tell me. Nung pa siyang kabalo na siya sa
I want to
diferensya.
say hi.
Yeah. You can say hi. I have it on. See? Can you see your face? I'll turn the camera. The screen. See? Can you see your face?
It's so funny.
It's so funny.
Is
Is your new chair comfortable?
Yeah.
Whose chair is this? Who sits this? Huh?
Celine.
Celine.
Yeah.
You gonna look after baby Celine while you're up on the back?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, ready na kami guys. Hinihintay lang namin ngayon si baby Celine na lumabas.
A few moments later.
Guys, nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay. Si Daddy Mike ay nasa gym na. Come here. It's not smelly, anak. Nasa gym na si Daddy Mike. And I just want to show this to you. So, ito yung binili ko from Ate Rachel, guys. If you are in Melbourne, ilalagay ko yung pangalan ng Facebook niya dito para kung gusto niyo mag-order ng mga mga kakanin, mga Filipino na mga pagkain, sobrang galing niya. Ayan. So, we've got, what's this one up? What's this one?
I don't know what's that.
It's cassava cake.
It's some cake in the smell. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, smells good. I told you. Have a look. See? That's cassava cake. Tapos, bumili ako ng bilo-bilo. So, ginataang bilo-bilo. $5 each. Ito guys, dalawa yung binili ko. Kinain ko na yung isa kanina. This is for tomorrow. Sobrang sarap guys. May langka. Sobrang daming sahog. Here it is. Ayan, hindi ko na makita ng mabuti. Anak, pinuunsa man siya isimutaan man. And then, meron siyang palibre kay Baby Paris, guys. Si Tita said you might like it. I think it's, yes, buko pie. Thank you po.
Mama, what's that kind there? What's that?
It's Elsa. It's Elsa coconut.
I don't like banana. I don't like banana.
And then, meron pa siyang binigay dito, guys. Salamat talaga, te. Pandesal na durian. Oh, wow. Durian na durian talaga. And then, ube na pandesal. Mmm.
Yum.
Yum. I told you. I told you. Sobrang daming pagkain, guys. I'm going to cook chicken adobo for tonight. Kasi nilabas si Daddy Mike yung yung chicken na nasa
Mommy,
freezer.
this is Christopher's one.
That's right. So that's Anna and that's Christoph.
Hey,
And the other one was Elsa.
what?
This one. Sobrang daming pipilian, guys.
This is Olaf's one.
Hmm? Mmm. So good. Good?
You want to try this? You want to try this Christoph cake like this one? Which one? This is Olaf one.
Okay.
I want to try this Olaf.
Let me
This
try
one?
that one. I'll bite. Mmm.
Wait, let me.
So good.
I want to try this Christoph cake. This one. I just tried them. Do I like this one?
Yeah, so good.
Want to cut that for you? Okay. Oh, just cut one. Just
You cut it for me.
Yeah, I'll cut it.
No, don't do it like that. No,
Like this.
slowly ba?
A few moments later.
Light shopping tayo, guys.
Shopping, shopping. That's what it means. Shopping, shopping. This is good.
Show me, Nakbe. Wow.
It's
Mandarin.
It's not mandarin.
Yeah.
It is.
Get a couple. Get a few. Not too many. Yeah.
Is that the best?
Last one, mommy.
I know.
Good
Here.
girl. Good girl.
That's it. Come on.
Dad, want me to buy bread, Daddy.
You already have bread, Nak. This way. Come on.
Come on, Baba, please. Daddy's pants.
Bob. Daddy. I think this is better.
That's why I'm shopping today.
We'll get a pair.
Okay. I see you. Pear.
Dito, Daddy.
That was so small.
They're for you.
I'm so strong.
Daddy's here.
Daddy. Huh? What's this?
There's nothing in that. Okay, just give this to Daddy. It's alright, Anak. You can scan that one. That's just plastic. Put this up. Tingnan nyo si Little Kwan, oh. Little Miss Australia. Is it heavy, Nak?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Do you want Mama's help?
No.
Okay, if you say so. Ang tatay niya ay hingi na. Hindi na makapaghintay. Are you okay?
No, okay. That's why I'm so strong.
Okay. So you let me know if you need help from me. I can carry it for you.
No?
Okay, go, go. Hi guys! We're home! At magre-ready tayo ng ating dinner. So before pala, nung si Daddy Mike ay nasa gym, nagluto si Mami ng adobong manok. Pero hindi ko na na-vlog guys kasi sobrang dami nang gagawin dito sa bahay guys. Oh my, huhugasin pa dito guys. Alam niyo naman, all day out kami today. Pero, pakita ko lang sa inyo, ayan. So ito yung chicken wings na adobo. Ayan. Tapos nakapagluto na rin ako ng rice. So, ayan, ready na ang ating dinner.